Me like it. Me like wait I give me. Me like it. Me like the vibes wait I give me. Yes, that's what. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and as you can see by the title of this video, it's going to be a mini Sephora haul and of course a demo. I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this look, what are my thoughts on these new products from Fenty Beauty. You guys know I keep it real all day every day straight. Before we jump right into the video, you guys, this video is sponsored by Dalevana, and they are a candles company. They do candle subscription, so I introduced them to you last month. The packaging, we do have the candle here, and they also send you like pamphlets, you know, little pamphlets in here, and pretty much the candle comes in this little bag. So we're just gonna see what candle came in for this month. So the container for this month is different, so every month you don't typically know what you're getting, and it keeps the suspense going as to what scent, as to what you're gonna be getting for the next month. So the container was different from the previous month. This one is very, very cute. Love it. Love this container. This one is White Rose Light. Guys, it is a 3-wick candle. Let me tell you something about this aroma. You guys, this smells so good. If you love roses, you know what I'm talking about. This is absolutely gorgeous. It smells amazing, and I am loving this. I will leave more information in the description if you want to go ahead and check them out, and I will check and probably leave a coupon code down there for you guys if you want to go and check them out. So all the information will be in the description. If you're a candle lover like myself, you will definitely love them. Natural soy candles, you guys, the scents are amazing. I'm loving this one. All right, so let's just jump right back into the video. A little beauty splurge, not too much. So what I got is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Powder Foundation, and this is a medium to full coverage. I got this in $4.70. Also, I did get the Fenty Beauty Ease Drop Blurring Skin Tint. I like to call this tinted moisturizer, and this is light to medium coverage. Also, I decided to try the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Cream. I do like the containers a lot. So I'm gonna be using both products, but I think I want to combine them. I've never seen a video with anyone combining them. I want to go ahead and try this one first, just to put it over my skin a little bit to see what it will look like, because it is indeed a foundation powder. I got mine in $4.70, and that is what it's looking like. The undertone to me is mad red, so I don't know. I think I'm golden, but it's mad red. But anyhow, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what it's looking like. And I'm using my BH Cosmetics brushes. It's a full coverage. They're saying it is supposed to cover up all the blemishes, so that is why I wanted to just go ahead and try it first by itself to see. I just wanted you guys to see what it's looking like when it's applied by itself. That is what it is looking like, but I was looking for more coverage from it, honestly. So yeah, so Fenty Beauty foundation without anything on, this is what my face is looking like. I'm gonna be using their Fenty Skin moisturizer. This I love, of course. So my face is moisturized, and now guys, I'm gonna go ahead with the Fenty Beauty Ease Drop Blurring Skin Tint. For the skin tint, we're gonna try this out now. I have this in 22. Use your hands and apply this, but I can't do it with the mesh right now, so I'm definitely gonna be using my beauty blender to apply. So you guys, let's see, honestly, even before starting, I don't think I'm gonna get full coverage. It's light to medium, so honestly do not think I'm gonna get full coverage from that. So let's see how this and the foundation powder works together. Containers, I like the shapes. And I like that this is easy, not as thick. All right, you guys, so that's it. Let's see. Moment of truth, you guys. I like the coverage. It's not full coverage, so I cannot honestly say that I expected it to cover all my blemishes, but it is covering some of the blemishes. It goes on very, very lightweight. I hardly feel like there's anything on my skin, honestly, that I can honestly say. My beauty blender is damp and I like what it's giving. Most tinted moisturizer does not work this well, so honestly I can say that if I should compare with other tinted moisturizer, I would say that this is definitely a great one. It covers the blemishes. It slightly is, my face feels like I'm not wearing anything. It feels not, it's very lightweight, but I can feel moisturized. I can see a little hydration there coming through, and I definitely like the way it just goes into the skin. You guys, I like what this is giving. I like what this is giving. It's not heavy. It goes on really, really nice. All right, it's not full coverage, so that's the only, it's not full coverage, and it does not cover my blemishes 100. That's the only take back for me. Everything else I'm loving. I'm loving the finish. I'm loving the feel of it. I'm loving how it just dissolves into the skin and it just goes right in. I was a bit nervous about the shade because I wasn't sure if it was gonna match my complexion, but I will say for me, I am okay with it. I definitely like it. Let's put the foundation powder over this and see what we're working with. Like, share your experience with me in the comments. So let's see if I get what I'm looking for once I use both products together. Let's see, you guys. I must say though that you can see that there is a reddish undertone, but it's not coming through so red. To me, on my end, I can see a little bit of red, but it's not that red. And I'm gonna be doing a comparison with these products. We're gonna talk about this. We're gonna talk about this, and we're gonna talk about this because your girl is looking for us right now. Hello. You guys, I love them together. I love them together. If I'm looking for, I love them together. You guys can see right here how dark right there was. My pigmentation on my skin right there, like you can see the difference. You guys can definitely see the transition once both products are applied. This is flawless. Yes, I'm loving them together. 100% together. So both products together, yes, both products together, 10 out of 10. By themselves, no, it not work for me. It not work. But both products together is definitely a 10 out of 10. Come on, you guys, you must have tried these. Tell me. What is your take on the Fenty Beauty Foundation and the Fenty Tint Moisturizer? Me like it. Me like wait I give me. Me like it. Me like the vibes wait I give me. Yes, the two of them here together. Yeah. Me like it. I don't like it. Tell me. True. Tell truth. I'm seeing some of the blemishes coming through slightly. But for the most part, you guys, I think it's great. Let's go ahead and just finish this look, and then I'll come back and show you guys what your girl is looking like. Fenty Beauty. Final thing that I'm going to be adding to this is the Fenty Beauty cream. I have Mauve Wives. It's my first time trying this one as well. I'm not too sure about the mauve. Like, you guys know I go for deeper shades. If you've been watching me, you know I like deeper shades. Let's see if this is gonna work for me. I am not lining my lips or anything. And I'm gonna go in light. This is the complete look. This is the complete look today, you guys. Putting them on together, I think they work great together, magnificent together, and I love the blend that I'm getting when I apply them both to my skin. So I will definitely be wearing them together. Do share in the comment section if you've tried them, what has been your experience, and do share what do you think, what are your thoughts on the products. And so that is going to be it for this video, you guys. I do thank you all for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, share, tell a friend to tell a friend, and as per usual, do come again. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.